Hello. Meet Rudy Gonzalez, a UEFA A licensed coach from the Real Andalusian Football Federation in Sevilla, Spain. He has a bachelor's degree in business administration from CSU Stanislaus. Rudy also holds a master's in European integration from Universidad Autónoma de Barcelona in Spain. Furthermore, Rudy has worked with Sacramento Republic FC as a combined coach and scout. He has also worked as an assistant soccer coach at Fresno Pacific University. And he is one of the founders of Cruisers FC. My name is Rudy, and I have Spanish UEFA licenses from the Royal Andalusian Football Federation in Sevilla, Spain. After more than 10 years of coaching and accumulating an incredible amount of experience in youth and professional football, I have been blessed at landing on the right career path. Also, I've spent the last 10 years learning and teaching the beautiful game of football. I am passionate about football and must confess that I live, dream and breathe football. I have been traveling the world, away from family and friends, taking football courses at the best football coaching schools in the world. In addition, I spent hours in the hot sun of Sevilla and cold and wet weather in Bilbao, observing professional and youth football coaches run their practice sessions with joy and passion. Furthermore, I enjoyed the beautiful weather and great football and charm of Barcelona, Spain. In 2008 to 2009 I had the opportunity to live in Barcelona and witness Guardiola's and FC Barcelona's perfect season firsthand. This is the place and time where I discovered my coaching style. I can say that this city is where I decided that I wanted to do this professionally for the rest of my life. In 2011 and 2013, I decided to move to Sevilla, Spain, and learn football from the best. I enrolled at CEDIFA, a coaching school under the Andalusian Football Federation. I was able to take classes from knowledgeable instructors from Sevilla FC and Real Betis. I also had the fantastic opportunity to attend world-class football seminars with top football coaches like Rafa Benitez, Lucas Alcaraz, Pepe Mel, Marcelino Garcia Toral, Joaquin Caparros, Manuel Pellegrini, Paco Cirulo, and many more. On another note, my extended international football network has allowed me to access many professional clubs. In my journey to share my soccer knowledge, I created 1v1 Academy to help footballers learn more about the beautiful game. Today, we have around 368,000 followers on TikTok. I have learned firsthand how to apply and implement the most effective methodologies available in football soccer. On a more personal level, my ideal style of football is possession and collective football, but I am fascinated by the Atletico de Madrid defensive play. I'm constantly trying to learn how to be better at things that matter, like living intentionally, appreciating people, and helping my communities as much as I can. I've lived in multiple countries. I speak Spanish and English, and I've always been a personal educator that cares about people and continuous growth. As you go on your journey, remember to dream big, keep learning and growing, and surround yourself with great people. Thanks.